What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's going to be another hair video. Don't ask me why I look so shitty. I haven't done my makeup yet today. I have not showered. I'm gonna do this first and then I'll get ready to show you guys the final result. So if you guys watch like hair and makeup videos online, mainly makeup actually, you probably know who Jamie Genevieves is. I am going to be doing the split bang situation that she has right now. I'll show you guys a couple pictures of that too. Yeah. So anyways, super excited, a little bit nervous. I am going to do that right now. So my hair is obviously red. It needs to be washed, so it's looking real effing funky. Let me part my hair down the middle. Okay. I don't know how well this red is going to come out. It's probably not going to turn super blonde because I just dyed it recently, but oh, my bangs are so bad. I should not be doing this. I'm going to do it anyways. I'm going to start with color remover. I'm going to use this first in my bangs and then I'll probably do bleach. I think what I'm going to do is make this blonde and then kind of ombre the back so it kind of blends a little bit so it's not just one straight up like chunk. I haven't really thought through how I'm going to do that. But actually I should get foil. Hold on just a second. So I have my foil. So here are the bangs I'm gonna do. This might be a major mistake, you guys. I don't really know, but I really wanna do it. So I think I'm gonna start by doing the first section here.
Oh, you know what? I'm an idiot. Let me mix this shit up first.
So for the color remover, I really don't need the whole thing. So I'll just mix a little bit in here. So this is Joico Color Intensity Eraser. So I'm just gonna mix this with 20 Volume Developer. Here's my 20 volume. Mix that in. I'm just winging it as far as how much I need. Let me mix this up. I just want it to be like a super runny consistency, so I'm assuming it's probably 1 part to 1 part. Maybe 1 part to 2 parts, I don't know. But this is kind of where I'm at consistency-wise. I think I'm pretty happy with that. Could maybe be a hair thinner, but that's okay. So, I am going to take a foil, grab a section of hair. I think I'll go this far back. I'm just gonna pop it right up there and put the color remover on. Try very hard not to get the other side of my head. I need to make it thick enough too, you guys, so that it saturates all the hair all the way through. So the hair that's underneath of this, I want to make sure that I get all of it. So I'm just going to try to make sure it's super saturated. Go a little bit more. Okay, so there's my first foil. Fold that up. Fold it up again, fold those over. So I have 1 foil. Now I'm gonna do, I probably should have started with underneath, but that's okay. I'm gonna add some right here to this root too. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna do 1 more section of this. And now I need to be really careful not to get this part because I don't want this to also start to lose color. So I'm gonna grab this, stick it under here really tight. Like so. Now I have a thinner section. You can kind of see through the hair there. You can tell that's thinner. Grab it. Okay, so I think I have that saturated good. Fold this one up. I really want to do an ombre situation with this hair right here just so it kind of blends in. So I think for this, I wonder how this would work, you guys. Should I say fuck it? Maybe I'll say fuck it and just do these two sections for now. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna leave this color remover in, I wanna say for 20 minutes, maybe 25 minutes. And I will rinse it out and I'll be right back and then I will add the bleach. I kept this in for 25 minutes. I don't know if you guys can even tell. I can definitely tell in real life that this is lighter than this. The problem is when I took it out, I rinsed it quick and started brushing my hair and it's literally so damaged now, which I'm shocked because this is the good side of my hair, but I'm like losing hair. It's like breaking off. So I put leave-in conditioner in it and a really good miracle treatment in it and some oil in it. And I let this sit for a little while just to try to bring back some integrity to my hair. So I'm definitely not going to be able to bleach it today, but I'm going to rinse this out and show you guys how well one go at the color remover did. And it still is definitely lighter, so yeah, we'll see what you guys think of it. Hold on a second. Okay, so here's the final result. I'm in the window because I want you guys to actually be able to see the difference that it made. So obviously this is the part that I used color remover in. This is my natural, or my current hair. Clearly this is not natural. I can tell like right here there's like, I want to put it together, like a band, like a really small little band there. I don't know if that's from when I like folded my hair up in the foil and it didn't get fully saturated, but whatever, it's like not super noticeable, so that's fine. So anyways, here it is. My hair is super damaged. I'm starting to realize in order to grow my hair out, I am going to have to dye it brown or something. This red color is not feasible for long hair for me because I have to dye it every 4 weeks. It's super damaged. Yeah, I really wanted this to be blonder, but I don't want to have my hair start falling out, so I'm going to pass on that. What do you guys think about this? This is my go at the Jamie Genevieve different colored bang. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.